Hi. What? What? What's up, Mama? That's so?
Ted, thank you so much. As you know, we're leaving you alone. Do what you got to do, my friend.
What?
So long.
I love you, Dr. And I truly love Rich over there.
Oh, yeah. He's tough, but he's here. Ted, we'll let you go. We'll let you.
Dr. Phil,
Yes.
Rich got a little bit of beast in him, too.
Yes, he does. He's small but wiry. All right, so long, Ted. Well, as you can see, Ted has made the decision and commitment to voluntarily put himself in rehab at Origin Recovery Center.